Testing, testing. Okay, you can hear me, but I can't hear you. That's fine. Hello there, everybody. How you doing? My name is Nakimbe Baobab, and welcome to the Soul System affiliate registration page. This is what it looks like. So register now to promote the hottest product on the market and earn up to 50% commissions. Here's a little video from me that just talks about the state of the market and why this is a really good opportunity and a really good time to get in to help small businesses, entrepreneurs, and larger corporations with their customer acquisition, business growth, and lead generation efforts. So you can go and take a look at the whole website, shows you our commissions, it tells you a little bit about the product, what our other happy affiliates have to say, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. You can watch a video here about exactly what the Soul lead gen system is, so you know what you're getting into. And then you can go ahead and sign up to promote. Here's another little video from me that tells you all about the different, I don't know, the folders, every area you can access to promote the program is available in this video. And yeah, so in terms of you promoting the product, one of the ways you are going to want to do that is through YouTube. You can get a lot of YouTube traffic. Just go and make a video on YouTube, start talking about lead generation. As you can see here, there's 10,000 people who look for that term every month. So you want to make sure that you have your blogs and vlogs and videos and testimonials and all that stuff up and ready so that people can see it. All right, so how do you promote this Soul System? Well, free YouTube traffic is one of the best ways you can do that. Just make some videos about the program, giving it a review, giving it a testimonial, talking about different aspects of it. As you can see, the term lead generation is searched for 10,000 times a month. And so we don't really have a whole lot of competition. It's a great opportunity for you to get in now. Another way that you can promote this is through Instagram traffic. If you click on the link, it will give you access to our folder where you can get all of these banners that you can promote on social media. You can, again, take advantage of YouTube by clicking here and you'll get access to all of our YouTube video ads. There are Facebook ads available for you. We've got lots and lots of testimonials, and we'll also do a live webinar. So on the next page, I'm going to show you what that looks like. Here are some of the images, again, things you can download to promote on your social media so that you can be a successful affiliate and make lots of cash. Once you take a look at that website, once you take a look at this website and decide that now you want to get started, go ahead and click here, put in your name. So I'm going to put my husband, Jonathan Brown, and his email is J.H. Brown. Okay, so become a partner. Yay! Exciting. Become a JV partner. Become a JV partner. Sign up as an affiliate today. Okay. Takes a little bit of time. Yay, so it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. If you're a Thrivecart user already, you just log in and register here. If not, go ahead and sign up here. So now it's going to ask you for a couple of things. It's going to ask you for your first name. I'm going to use my husband as an example. You're going to put in your email address. So where it says affiliate ID, you're just going to write your name. Like, just put your name there, first and last name. And if you have a company name, great. If not, don't worry about it. You don't have to put anything here. One thing you should know is this is going to be, even though I have my cap locked, no matter what I type in, it's always going to type in lowercase. Something else you can know is that I cannot make spaces. So if I'm trying to do Jonathan space Brown, that won't work. Underscore, it won't take underscores either. So it only takes small caps, one word. If you have a company, great. If not, don't worry about it. Then you can go and create, let's see what it says. Okay. That's going to be a problem. Mm. Okay, guys, so once you put in your information, it's going to take you to this page. All right, guys, so once you sign up, it's going to take you to this page. Sign up today. Let me see if I can make this bigger. Hey guys, okay, so once you sign up, it's going to take you to this page. It's going to say sign up today. Follow the instructions below to confirm your registration with the Sold Strategic Organic Leads on Demand, Video Marketing Mastery Plus Shorts Bonuses affiliate program. So you go ahead and you agree. You confirm your registration and it's going to take you to this page. Hi, Jonathan Brown. Welcome to your affiliate page. You're going to click on products, right? From there, you are going to click on the product that you're able to sell. And then you're going to get this welcome email from me. Hello there. Welcome to the Soul Lead Generation System Affiliate Support Team. Below, you'll find everything you need to succeed and promote the Soul System successfully. SOL stands for Strategic Organic Leads on Demand, a revolutionary new customer acquisition and premium lead generation program. Then we invite you to take a look at a video. We also tell you to, we're going to be sending out emails about the program, bonuses, etc. So that will be happening. So make sure that you whitelist our email address so it never ever goes to spam. It's info@maptim.com. If you don't know how to whitelist an email address, there's a quick video about it right here. And we also only want to send you emails that you like to receive. So make sure that you fill out this form that says, what kind of emails do you like to receive? Do you just want information on this particular affiliate program? Do you want to know about other affiliate programs? Do you want to know other tricks, tips? Like, what kind of emails do you want? Let us know and we'll make sure that we only send you the emails that you want. We also want to know a little bit about you and your business so we can help you to promote the Soul System. So go ahead and be sure to fill out our intake form. And then lastly, and most importantly, if you want to go ahead and promote the Soul System, we have a drive on Google. So just take a look at all the assets there. There are going to be PDFs you can download, infographics you can download, emails that you can send to people, webinar invites, everything that you need to promote the system, the Soul System, will be available to you in this Google Drive here. And then lastly, of course, if you have any questions, you can go ahead and email our support at maptim.wasim.akram@gmail.com and copy info@maptim.com. Now, when you continue to scroll at the bottom, you're going to see that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 links. You're like, oh my gosh, I don't know what this means. All you've got to do, all this means is that you can promote this program to different ways to different people depending on what they're interested in. So when you first sign up, this is your affiliate link. If anybody doesn't know about the Soul System, wants to know about the Soul System, this is the link you're going to send them to. So again, you can see your affiliate ID right at the beginning. And this just tells everybody about the Soul System. Okay, so that's one of the links that you can send to people. Again, if somebody doesn't know about the Soul System, doesn't understand the system, wants to learn about the Soul System, you can send them here. All right, now let's say someone's all ready to buy, right? Then you will just send them directly to our sales page. Okay, so again, your affiliate link was right there in the beginning, Jonathan Brown. The Soul Lead Generation Video Mastery comes with weekly mastermind. Okay. Unlock the full potential. Click here to buy now, buy now, buy now. I don't think I like that. It's like way too in your face. Anyhow, choose from one of the programs. This is what you get. The bonuses. There are a whole bunch of testimonials, 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 testimonials. A little bit about what the Soul System is. A video. The different levels in the Soul System program. How many leads we've gotten, more testimonials, more testimonials, more testimonials. And now, are you ready to buy? So this is the basic, this is the buy page. They can pay full price at a discount, or if they want to go on a payment plan, they'll pay the full price, but in installments. Frequently asked questions, a little bit about me, and then we're done. Okay, then there's the invite page, which is the exact same page that you guys all ended up. So if there's anyone else you know who wants to market the Soul System and make some money, then you can just send them to this page. Again, they will come into our lead funnel, and should they buy the Soul System, you will get credit for that. Not them, even though they think they're buying it from themselves. They actually, you will get credit for it. I believe that's how it works. Anything else? Anything else? Right, we've got this webinar registration page. So if somebody, they go to the website, they're not quite ready for this, they're not quite ready to buy. You don't want to be pushy, you don't want to sell to them. You can invite them to sign up for our webinar. So our last webinar was on Saturday. We have one every Saturday. I will change the time on this, but you can send them to this page so that they can sign up from the webinar. When they come to this page and they sign up for the webinar, it's going to take them to our webinar registration page. It's what it looks like. Discover the new secret soul lead generation system that gets you blah, 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 blah. Okay, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, different options. Okay. Yay. And then the last one we have is a case study. There you go. So if anyone wants to see how the Soul System has worked for anybody in the past, you can send them to our case study. Watch the award-winning Tony Nelson Soul Lead Generation case study that doubles your income in 12 months and generates free traffic and leads. There's a little preview or promo or sneak peek into the program. And if they sign up here, they can get access to the entire case study. So those are all the ways that you are able to generate leads for the Soul System. You can bring new prospects and potential customers into your pipeline. We will follow up with them with the email series, and you get the money for the sale. That's it. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks. And look at me.